Walnuts is usually used in recipes like baklavas, brownies, burfis, etc. But today I'm going to show you a very Indianized and a rich version of it. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, and let's see the recipe for Walnut Halwa or Akhrot Halwa. To make this recipe, I have 200 grams of walnuts here. I'm going to pulse it and slowly grind it into a coarse powder. Grind it into a coarse powder. Make sure that you don't grind it too fine, otherwise the oil is going to start oozing out. Even if you have a few bits and pieces in it, it's fine. And now, let's start cooking. Turn on the flame and I'm going to heat 1/4 cup of ghee. Next, I'm going to add in the coarsely ground walnut powder. Saute this for at least a good 3 to 4 minutes. The walnut mixture is nicely roasted and it's also changed color. Now into this, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Also, half a cup of grated mawa or khoya. Give it a good mix. Cook the khoya for 2 minutes, and next let's add in 1.5 cups of milk. Give it a good mix and let this boil. Once the milk has reduced to half its quantity, let's add in half a cup of sugar. And now let this cook till the entire moisture dries out. This is the perfect consistency of the halwa. You can see the ghee has also nicely oozed out. And now let's turn off the flame. Let's add in half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give it a good mix. Time to plate. I'm just going to garnish this with a few pistachio flakes to give it some color. I'm sure you've enjoyed this walnut halwa in Indian weddings because it's always there on the menu. And now you know how to make it at home. So do give this a try. Subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.